This is the dashboard here. In this video, you're going to see a squatted white truck go by. Now, I've made a video about squatted trucks before, but seeing this truck, things are getting a little out of hand with this trend. That white truck is a F-250, a heavy-duty truck meant for working or hauling, doing stuff. And somebody went and squatted it. I think this trend has gone too far. It needs to stop. You're messing with things that aren't meant to be messed with. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep these videos coming your way. Hey you, yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.